Time, a one-sided opener in the double murder trial happening in the Lee County Courthouse. Wink News reporter Liz Byro live now at the courthouse. Liz, we're hearing the defense took an unusual route in terms of their opening their case. Tell us about it.
Yeah, Nicole, the defense reserved their right to speak. This means that they gave no opening statement. Now, this is out of the ordinary. We did hear a lengthy opening statement from the state attorney's office, who shared the two victims. Christine Melton and Diane Ruiz had three things in common. One, they both died October 7th, 2019. Two, they both were strangled. And three, they are both forever silenced. The last person they encountered was Wade Wilson. Now, Diane Ruiz was the first victim killed or accused of being killed by Wade Wilson, in part using the second woman's car.
What we know is that Ms. Ruiz had been strangled. And what we also know is that she died as a result of blunt force trauma because of the multiple rib fractures. And if you want to believe what Mr. Wilson told law enforcement, was that he had driven over her repeatedly and tried to make her look like spaghetti.
Yeah, tried to make her look like spaghetti. Those are real words that the state attorney's office say that Wilson told law enforcement. Now, if it wasn't dead quiet in that courtroom before, it definitely was after those statements were made. Now, we also heard near the end of the opening statement that we will hear in witness testimony why Wilson says he killed both of those women. Take a listen.
Here, that when they asked him why he killed Miss Melton, he said, "I just wanted to do it." Well, what about Miss Ruiz? His response was, "F it. Did you kill her? I got one down."
And things are moving fairly quickly in this courtroom. We've heard a 911 call. We've heard from law enforcement. We heard from Wade Wilson's friend. And we also heard from Stephanie, who is Christine Melton's friend of 20 years and was with Wade Wilson and Melton just hours before the murder took place. Now, another thing to note, we don't know why, but two jurors have been excused. That means that two alternates have been moved to the jury box. And this trial is live streaming on weeknews.com, but you also can check in at 3, 6, and 7, where I'll give you a rundown of what's happened so far. I'm live at the Lee County Courthouse. Liz Byro, Wink News.
All right, thank you very much.